Hey guys, welcome back. Today it's GEARUP Booster versus LAGOFAST, two hitting game boosters promising to kill lag and boost your gaming in 2025. And let us figure out, of course, which one's the champ for you. So GEARUP Booster is a sleek optimizer. It cuts ping with smart routing, tech across PC, consoles, and mobile, supporting 2,000 plus games. LAGOFAST goes big too. Multi-path connections, real-time server tweaks, and extras like FPS boosts, also cross-platform. Both aim to fix lag and packet loss, but they've got different flavors. GEARUP's simple and LAGOFAST's loaded. So let us talk about the pros and cons of both. So GEARUP's pros. Dead easy setup. I dropped my Valorant ping from 80 to 50 in just one click. It's got a free trial, supports everything from PS5 to Steam Deck, and X users love its stability. Cons: fewer servers under 300, so distant regions might lag. No FPS tweaks either, and some say the boost fades in busy nights. After that, LAGOFAST. So this one shines with power, 60 plus countries, 150 plus cities, and it slashed my Apex ping to 40 with an FPS bump. Tools like easy lobbies for Warzone are a clutch for wins. Downsides: tricky interface, and the free trial's short. Premium's price here too starts at $6 a month versus GEARUP's $5. So guys, best of these. GEARUP's your pick for simple, affordable lag cuts across all devices. Great for casuals. LAGOFAST wins if you want max control, FPS boosts, and global reach, perfect for hardcore gamers. Test them both. Your rig decides. Which one is your vibe? Drop it below. Like and subscribe, guys. See you in the next one.